Hey there, welcome back to Big Joe Backyard BBQ. I'm Oded Eshel from Embers Only Barbecue. Today we've got a crazy easy two-step recipe for beautiful barbecue chicken thighs. Check them out. For grill setup, we cleared out all the ash. We got a nice fire building here. I'm going to drop in 2 chunks of apple wood here, and then we're going to drop in our ceramic deflector plates. And I'm doing that so that I can drop an aluminum pan here just to catch some of the olive oil marinade drippings there, so it's not hitting the super hot plates there. And then we'll get our grates down. And then we're just going to get this stabilized at 400 degrees for the cook. For our chicken, we've got bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. We try and get the highest quality we can. And then everybody loves that crispy skin. So one of the keys is make sure it's nice and dry, because moisture is the enemy when we're trying to get nice crispy skin. And then we're going to be doing an olive oil-based marinade here, which is parsley, olive oil, garlic, shallots, salt, and pepper. And you can go overnight on this, or you can use a rub, whatever you'd like, whatever kind of flavor you like. But the olive oil is really going to help us get some nice crispiness with the skin there. So overnight covered if you can, if not at least 2 hours before, just to let the flavors kind of incorporate here. And we're going to go throw this on the grill once they're ready. So we're stabilized at 400 just to show you vent settings. We're at the 1 hash mark up top, and then about 1/3 open down below. Now we're gonna get our chicken on. And the reason we're going a little bit hotter than normal, and most people cook their chicken to 165, for example, is that the thighs, with all that dark meat, do really well with a little bit of a higher temperature. So anywhere from 180 to 190 gets really, really nice, and the fat content in there just does great. So we've got these thighs on here, 400 degrees. We'll take them to between 180 and 190. We've hit our internal temperature on the thighs. Gonna get them off now. The final touch on these thighs, we got some homemade chimichurri sauce that we made with parsley, shallots, garlic, crushed red pepper, red wine vinegar, some lemon zest, some more salt and pepper, and then these just get crazy herby and delicious. They smell absolutely phenomenal. Excited to get in here. So that's our 2-step recipe for barbecue chicken thighs on the Big Joe 3 here. Essentially, you marinate them or season them however you want, and then they go into the Joe 400 degrees until they hit internal of 180 to 190, and you're good to go. Enjoy. If you like that, drop us a comment, let us know how you make chicken on them, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much.